Good day, good day, good day, good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday. So we just want to see what's really happening on the market. Now we are on Euro USD. Don't worry much about the webcam. So, guys, before we even continue, it's a new month. It's 5th of actually February, right? So what I want to do here is I saw people they are joining actually my YouTube channel. So what I want to do here is I just want to say thank you very much, and for those who actually wants to join the team, this is only is going to end actually today, unfortunately. Join the team for $30, a lifetime signal, only $30. It doesn't matter the number, just WhatsApp me, Telegram me if you see this video. Then from tomorrow we going back to our normal prices, which is this one. It's actually $60, which is actually limited for 20 people. But for those who are here now, you can get that for $30. Just let me know if you want to be that part of the team. Guess what? For those who want to be like, so those who want to get like a Prime robot, you can get that by $100. This month, obviously, we're going to have also the updates and other few things on that robot. So if you want that, just let me know. Just let me know. Only for today, by the way. And remember, we no longer actually sell Prime. So once you get that, if you buy here, you're also going to get those updates, right? So yeah, I think maybe that is enough. I tried to help one or two people. We can't help anyone, everyone at the same time. So I think maybe some they will say, Kenzo, why don't you use maybe a daily time frame and to see what's really happening? Yes, now we are on a daily time frame. This is Euro USD. So what's really happening? What's really happening, guys? You can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is actually on a very, very, very bullish momentum. And you can see that the market is actually doing what? Pushing to the upside, even though we see that after that NFP, the market is trying to do what? To push the lower side. But what do we see here? We see that we have a strong support around this area, which is bit below, which was actually the strongest one. After that, the market started to go crazy. Like we see that the market was like actually flying. That is very, very strong. So we had some structures. You can see where we had some resistant support, and the market mostly create stuff like that. The market was actually consolidating, pushing to the upside. Even now, you see that the market is also doing the same thing. So the question is, will the market push lower to retest on this support area, or maybe the market will respect this area here and just to start to push up? I think that question will be easier answered maybe tomorrow and say, you know what, it's better to wait for the market to break this area. But if you checked the NFP, it was very strong yesterday. Day before yesterday, on Friday. You obviously you were easily going to see that, oh, the market actually can actually push lower because the numbers, the figures, they were very positive, which means the dollar is going to be way too positive, right? So, but we will see what happens tomorrow, because I'm expecting maybe with according to the figures, I'm expecting maybe the market to keep pushing lower up to this point, maybe then to see another uptrend again. That it's something that I think it might happen. So let's push the next one and see what's really happening. I hope you're having a very great weekend, guys. I hope you're having a very great weekend. Yes, I hope maybe you're having a very great one. So now we are on USDJPY. It's dollar and Japanese yen. What's really happening? Straightforward, I think. I think maybe you saw that maybe on a Trader Nick's channel, also on my channel. I did talk about this stuff like this actually on my channel, as I always do this analysis. So on USDJPY, we easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market was actually downtrending. Yes, we did spot some areas where we were continuing selling, and the market was just respecting that, and we did smash when the market was respecting that. You see, and on top there, I like the fact that the support area was also very clear, but there's something happening there. I think you can see that the market is breaking out because the dollar is very strong. So which means if the market is gonna break this area here, it shows that maybe the market wants to change the trend and start to push to the upside. Do you see that? I think the market will start to do what? To break that and start to push the upside. And then we're going to call that an uptrend, which means we're no longer going to do what? To follow this downtrend. You can see we followed this downtrend for quite some time now. It's been going down for quite some time, since I think November there, October there. So now it seems like on a 4 hours time frame, I can easily say the market actually closed above our resistance, which confirms that the market might continue doing what? Pushing to the upside. If you missed it here, it's fine. The market can come back and do the retest here before maybe continuing. And just know that the trends last longer, guys. So if the trend is just broken out, don't just jump on the market and think maybe you will be left behind. No. Sorry, trends will last longer. 6 months, whatever, or more. So if you see something like this, relax, wait for a retest or wait for another structure. That is going to help us to do what? To keep buying. But for now, we start to understand that USDJPY is starting to try to push to the upside. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Gold. What's really happening on gold? Remember, I was talking about NFP, right? And that NFP actually showed us that the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So that's why we see this major sell-off. If I can go on a daily time frame, maybe you will start to see that, no, man, the market is actually doing what? The market actually, it's getting out of that trend. You can easily see this is a daily time frame that actually the market was doing what? The market was actually trying to tell us that, you know what, the market is being on this bullish momentum. So instead of the market respecting this support area, because this support area is been respected for quite some time. It's been, or let me just try, I think maybe I did not touch this area. For quite some time now, but we can easily see that yes, the breakout is there. You can see that the market actually broke out there because the dollar is stronger, which means there is a chance for the market to change the trend and start to push to the lower side. That's what is happening there. And even if maybe we change the time frame maybe to a 4 hours time frame, maybe you will see that. You can see that the market actually closed below that. The market closed below our support area. Maybe somebody will say, you see this area, Kenzo 1, 2, 3. Yes, still the market closed below that. So now we're expecting the market to keep pushing lower. So our job is just to wait and try to see what will happen. Our job is to wait for maybe for consolidation, for retest, stuff like that before we jump on the market. But now we can easily say, yes, the market is no longer on that uptrend because we see that the market just broke out of that support area. So maybe now the market wants to continue like that. That is called actually a breakout because the other pair now it's getting stronger and stronger. Yeah, you can easily see that even US oil. Now we are on US oil. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who wants to join the team, you can see it's actually $60 for limited to 20 people. But what I said is I saw some very nice subscription, which means that there's people who actually like what I do. And I said, why not get join the team for $30 only for today, by the way. And you can also get Prime EA for $100. This is just limited for today. You see that? So it's fine. So now let's see what's really happening. And now we are on US oil. Before I even explain, you can see that yes, we are on a downtrend. That's why even when the market breaks this area, we are not even surprised. Why? Because we've been this downtrend has been identified for quite some time, or quite long. So when that happens, it's just confirming with our analysis. So let me go closer there and see what's really happening. Once I check here, you can see that we had actually a very nice resistance on top there. The market was respecting that area. On the bottom side, you can see that the market, we don't really care much about the support, but you can see that on the resistance side, the market was actually respecting that. Since we are on a downtrend, we had a structure like a support area. So that structure is being broken. Actually, that is another continuation for what? For the sell. Yes, we have some areas like here where the market can find that support around. Let me just draw a proper line. Even here, but I don't think maybe here it will matter much. I think the market maybe will consider this move here. You see, so what do we think? We think that the market is still going to do what? To push lower and lower. I don't know if I did send this signal, but I don't think so. So if maybe you see something like this, here we're supposed to have a sell pending order, then letting the market to push lower. I expect the market to keep pushing lower and lower, and that will be a good thing actually for the inflation. I hope you see that. I hope maybe you understand that. So what's happening now? I think now we can just go to the next one and see what's happening on US30. US30, Wall Street 30, or Dow Jones. Please smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening here? Actually, US30 it's been like seriously solid. Actually, the moves there, they were very disappointing. Actually, they were not moving that much. But what do we see? What do we see there? We see that the market actually is still holding on this resistance area. The market is not breaking that. And if the market is not breaking that, it means we won't take any buy position above that area. We have to wait for a clear or a proper breakout. You see. And on the bottom side, you can also see that, yes, on the bottom side, we see a very nice structure. You see, we see a very, very nice structure where actually the market is doing what? Where the market is actually respecting. So, but this structure actually, it's a wedge. And we can easily see that the market was actually squeezing up to a point where we have to actually see a breakout. I think we have to push this little bit up. You see, something like that. So you can see that the market was starting to squeeze up. The market is starting to squeeze up. So now we're waiting for a breakout. If the market breaks this support, we have a counter trend line there, a support line. If that breaks, we're gonna take that sell. If that pushes up and break the resistance area, we're gonna take that buy. But for now, the market is still playing around that, and we can't do anything. We just need to chill. We just need to relax on that, right? I hope you see that. So, yeah, I hope you understand. I hope you see that. I hope you're gonna smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friend. It means we can't do anything because the market is still on that wedge, right? So, what's really happening on NASDAQ? I like what I see here. Let me try this on a daily time frame. Maybe I will see something much better. So, what's really happening is I think the market is actually on a very nice bullish momentum, but it seems like since the dollar it's getting stronger, it seems like we see a crazy reversal there. Do you see that? But around this area, we have an area where we can call a zone where the market was respecting. Will the market come around that area and push up? We are not really actually sure about that. The market might come around this area, then push the upside. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? I hope you see that. So let's push to 4 hours time frame so that you can see everything in a very nice manner or very clear. So you can easily see that after actually we had this breakout, the market actually aggressively started to push the upside. Yes, now it seems like the market is now creating a ranging move or a consolidation move, which to me it's fine if maybe it doesn't really break that area. But if you check on the bottom side, we also have an area that we can call a support area. You see that? So there is enough chance for the market to do that, and then before pushing to the upside. But for now, we're just waiting for the market to do it, to break that area, and we actually don't see that breaking. But since this happened earlier, actually, on Friday, before the market closed, I think we have to wait and be sure if maybe the market is going to break this area. If it breaks that, we can just take a quick sell, but we know that the market can still bounce back as we are actually on an uptrend. When the market is pushing up, we don't really care much about this reversals, because that actually will eventually push the market to the upside. So we just wait, and once the market touches the area that we want to buy, we keep buying. Even if the market comes back here, we might just wait. We are not forced to sell because we are on an uptrend. So it means once the market bounces back, we will be ready to take those trades. Yes, sometimes we can be wrong, but most of the time we're going to smash that, you see. So I hope maybe everyone is understanding everything. You can see the specials there. Join the team. So let's start to it. So as I said, only few people, I don't know, it's not limited. It's only limited for today. Get to join the team for $30, and you can join the robot for actually $100. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to talk to me, that you can just post that, Zoom, do whatever, then we can talk. Even on my description, there is a link that you can just, that is, once you click that, it's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp page. So you can just do that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.